We have a 2002 Town and Country or a Dodge Caravan, and we're going to work on installing wiper blades. What you need for this project is two 28-inch wiper blades. Get good quality ones. Don't buy the El Cheapo ones just because they don't last. Sometimes you do need a flathead screwdriver to help pop off if it has been a long time, because they've been in the heat, or the different elements of heat and cold sometimes make those seize a little bit, and sometimes the plastic gets broken as well over lots of use. But I'm going to show you how to do this from start to finish. So we're going to go ahead and get open the package, and so this one just slides up. All these are just a touch different on the packaging. A lot of times they come with lots of components. So this is what you want right here. And there will be a little piece of like plastic. You can go ahead and take that off. Sometimes it's more than others, just depending on the model. There is an instruction manual if you do want that as well in there. So the next thing you're going to do is go ahead and pivot this up and go ahead and turn it sideways. So the next thing you're going to do is use kind of two fingers and claw it down towards you. Sometimes there is a little lever back here that you do have to compress. I did not feel one on this one, and I do not see one. Again, each of them are just a little bit different. So again, you're going to push that down, and this will give it to where you can come to the side and remove it. So again, it was on there like this. You push down, you got to scoot it over and lift it off. So you're gonna go ahead and take your new one, and the goal of this one is a little bit different than the last one. You are literally just going to push it into place. And so just like that, it is in place right there. So again, all you're gonna do is take it and push it up into place, and you're gonna set it back down. Very easy. The old one looked quite a bit different. Remember how we had to do that? The new one, you were just literally sliding that hook over. I'm gonna show you on the other side too. So on the left side, the passenger side, same thing. Go ahead and lift it up towards you. You're going to go ahead and kind of pivot this around, and you're going to take kind of that claw approach, push it down, and then get it off to the side. Go ahead and put that down. So now that you have this off, there is one thing additional you have to do. This thing should sit like this, and so you do have to take this centerpiece off, and you're just going to flip it to the other side. Originally it was like this. You're going to flip it to this side, to where you can slide it up and slide it in, and it should kind of click in there. You go ahead and set it down, you remove the old, and you are all set. That should work perfectly. Remember, if you do have those little plastic pieces on the end, go ahead and make sure you take those off. That's all you need to do to get new windshield wipers on your Town and Country or Dodge Caravan. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful to you guys. Thank you so much for watching.